Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by General Insurance Corporation of India. So let's start the video. Friends, GIC has released the recruitment notification for Chartered Accountant for the post of Assistant Manager Finance in Scale 1 grade for their head office Mumbai. So let's go through the notification. Friends, if you see that the detailed notification is available on the company's website, but if you want to apply for this post, you have to visit the ICI website. It is a job portal of ICI. I will provide the application link as well as the notification link in the description, so you can just directly click there and apply it. Do keep this in mind. For this particular vacancy, you have to apply by visiting ICI website. Now let's check the vacancies. So friends, so finance discipline, they are asking chartered accountants. Total number of vacancies available are 12. Here the minimum qualification asked is graduation in any discipline with 60% marks for general category, and if you belong to SC/ST category, then 55% is required in your graduation, and apart from your graduation you should pass final examination of CA, then only you are eligible. Here there is a little bit confusion. Here they are just asking the final examination of ICI, so it means even if you are passed CA exam but not applied for membership, then also you are eligible to apply here. But if you go to the ICI website for registration, there the user ID is your membership number, so I feel that you need to have membership number to apply for this post. Now let's check the other condition also. You need to possess the required qualification as on 1st Feb 2023. So do keep this in mind. It's a cutoff date for your qualification requirement, and your registration number will be verified from the ICI, and candidate should have a computer proficiency and excellent in Excel and Word, so that will be an easy one. So the conditions are not that much stringent requirement here. Friends, the last date to apply for this post is 27th Feb 2023, and application received after 27th will not be entertained. Friends, now let's talk about the total vacancy. Here the total number of vacancies are 12, out of which 6 are for general category and rest are for reserved category candidate. And age criteria should be as on 1st Feb 2023. Minimum age requirement is 21 years and maximum is 30 years. So they have clearly mentioned that candidate should have born not earlier than 2nd Feb 1993 are not eligible, and you should not be born later than 1st Feb 2002. So both days are inclusive. So that means if you are born on these 2 days also, then also you are eligible to apply. Then there are certain age relaxation for various categories. You can check them in detail. Now let's talk about the remuneration part. Here your basic pay will be 50,295 per month in the scale of 50,925 to 96,765, and considering all other allowances, your total remuneration will be 85,000 per month plus other benefits. So it's really a good package that they are offering. Now service condition, they have mentioned that the candidate on appointment shall be posted at Mumbai or transferred to any other place, but however your initial posting will be in its corporate office, that is at Mumbai. Now very important selection procedure. Friends, selection will be based on shortlisting of candidate based on preliminary screening. Now what does this preliminary screening means? It's not clear whether they will conduct a written test or directly they will shortlist from the application received, that we have to see, and along with the interview and medical examination will be the selection procedure. Then they have mentioned the interview dates and details etc. will be communicated to all the shortlisted candidates. Then the various list of documents to be attached for application. Now probation period, they have mentioned that the selected candidate will be appointed as assistant manager on a probation period of 1 year, and friends, they have mentioned that it may be further extended to up to 1 year. So like this, total 2 years probation period can be there. And next point is guarantee bond, that you have to provide a guarantee to the corporation that you will serve the organization for minimum 4 years including your probation period, and here the bond amount is equivalent to 1 year's gross salary. So do keep this in mind if you are applying for the post, that there is a bond you need to provide to serve the company for 4 years. So that's all friends. Others are all just normal terms and conditions and the formats. You can check them in detail. So friends, it's a good opportunity for my CA friends who wants to apply in a PSU company, specifically in insurance sector. So you can definitely give it a try. I strongly feel that your shortlisting, there will will not be any written test, directly will be shortlisting for the interview round. So you should definitely give it a try, and you have to apply through ICI portal. I will provide the application and the notification link in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.